The secret of the pastry chefs that you won't find anywhere else. Coconut namelaka, super creamy and ready in 5 minutes. After posting my first recipe of classic namelaka, link to that video in the top right corner of the screen, a member of the community tried this recipe with coconut. And since I couldn't find this version anywhere on YouTube, I took the idea from her and decided to make it here for you. Let's get started, and from this recipe you'll get about 500 grams of cream. You'll see it's ready in 5 minutes before, of course, it needs to sit for 6 to 8 hours in the fridge. We start with coconut milk, and I really like this one from Sanshi. We'll use 100 grams of coconut milk, which will heat up gently. But if you want an even stronger coconut flavor, you can replace part of the coconut milk with Monin coconut syrup. Hydrate 2.5 grams of gelatin in 12 grams of cold water, and once the gelatin has absorbed the water and the coconut milk is warm, add the gelatin to the coconut milk to dissolve. Then pour the coconut milk over 185 grams of white chocolate that has been pre-melted. Blend everything well with an immersion blender. Finally, add 200 grams of cold cream, pouring it while blending again. Once it's fully combined, the cream is basically ready. All that's left is to cover with plastic wrap, pressing it directly on the surface, and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours in the fridge to set properly. This is how the namelaka looks at the end. I personally love using it, especially in tarts or eclairs, choux pastries, but it can also be successfully used in entremet cakes. For more recipes like this, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for lots of useful tips.